Greens one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm just at the park today. It's just 5 miles from my house. I was going to go to the National Forest, but the website said that fire danger was high. But another site said it was burn bans were in effect. So, and people on Facebook said it was that fire bans were lifted. So I don't know. So I wanted to show you some new products I just bought. And these are from River Country Products. Now, I actually hadn't heard of this company until my buddy DiddyBushcraft. I'll link his channel below with the proper name. He did a video on one of their tents, so I wanted to, I was just kind of, looking through their sites. I was looking at their tents and seeing what they had to offer. And two things caught my eye. And I'm doing an unboxing, which I might lower it down so you can see. I'm doing the unboxing because I haven't seen these products up close before. So it's my first time getting them. So let me tilt you down. Pardon the camera movement. Okay. So I picked up the ground cover. And I also picked up the poncho. So these are it. They're pretty small. Probably not going to be doing a full video on both today. Just kind of doing the unboxing and showing you. But I might break this out because show you why I got it and what my thought process was. So there's a little paper it comes with. It says that it includes tent stakes and guy line. It's 7 foot by 4 foot, 4.5 feet, and it's only 10.5 ounces. So here it is. I can hear the tent stakes rattling around. Put that knife away. I'm in like a little wooded area next to a school, so you might hear kids in the background. I think I heard the bell, so it might be recess. Which, as long as I, don't make too much noise, I should be fine out here. Unless they skip school, but. Open this guy up. So here's the guy line. Just orange cord with these little locks, little lock keepers. Pretty much your standard stakes. Interesting that they don't come with cordage attached, so I'll have to add some, which is not that big a deal. Those are lightweight aluminum stakes. And then here is the product, which is wrapped up in something. Can I untie it? I don't know if that's supposed to be part of it. Okay. Set that down. So here it is. And one thing I noticed that, well, first of all, how small it is. And it's only 10.5 ounces. And each corner has a tie out. So we'll stretch this out on the ground and give you a good look at it. Okay, so that's it all stretched out. And it comes with stakes, so you could, tack this down so it doesn't get moved around on you. Probably not going to stake the whole thing down because, like, just underneath this dirt is like nothing but rock. So I'll just do a light tack down. ground's a pain in the butt. Alrighty. So here's kind of why I bought this. And you might be thinking, well, you could just go buy a tarp, Mark. And you're absolutely right, you sure can. But I look at this as a couple of things. First of all, it's lightweight. And I believe the website said it was waterproof, but it's, you know, that nylon material. I like that you can stake it out. Yes, you can do that with a tarp. But, you know, if you're doing a tarp shelter at 7 feet, I mean, well, actually, I'm no longer 6 foot. When my last doctor visit, they said I was only 5'11". So, either way, I'll just say 6 feet to, you know, make it even. So it will fit my length, more than enough for my width. So if I was going to be doing a tarp shelter, and I did an A-frame over there, well, I got plenty of room to work with. I got room for my pack, I got room for my sleeping pad, and at only 10.5 ounces, I think, hey, that's pretty nice. And it came with stakes, and it came with guy lines. Now in a pinch, you could probably tack up the corner and use it as a shelter for over your head. I don't know what you do on the ground. Maybe throw some boughs or leaves down, but you know, in a pinch you could probably use it as an overhead shelter. But I like the fact that it hardly weighs anything. I mean, it does weigh something. I won't say it weighs nothing, but I mean, 10 ounces is pretty light. It packs up pretty small. I mean, when I'm done, I'm going to wrap it back up again so we can see. And it comes with a little stuff sack. So, you know, if you're doing a day hike and you get stuck out in the woods, you know, to spend the night, well, you'd have something to lay on the ground. Plus, you can put your pack down on the cover. You could put, you know, all your gear, and then you have plenty of room for to stretch out. Plus, it's wide enough, so you're not probably going to roll off super easy. And if you had a lightweight sleeping pad, like I've got the Mountain Tech hardware, or not Mountain Tech. Yeah, the Mountain Tech sleeping pad, it was only $30. I could easily stretch it out and it would fit the whole length. So, I like that. So, let me get this back in the bag off camera. No, I'm not going to show you rolling it up. I'll show you when I get back. Okay, so what I decided to do is, instead of wrapping this up real quick, I'm gonna break out the poncho and show you that. Make sure I put my knife away, because when I was out here, this very spot, when I was setting up my pup tent, I snagged my finger. So, this is all how big it is. I should compare it. That's about the size of a water bottle. So the reason I'm leaving this tent up, because if I carry these two together, you know, these also have tie-outs on the corners. And this, the measurements on this, so it's actually it's 7.5 feet long and 5 feet wide. It says waterproof and 12 ounces. And it's a poncho, so let's get this on. There's Velcro on the sides. Let's see if it fits on me. I mean, I'm not the skinniest bloke, but take that. Oh, there you go. Well, I guess it's a little excuse me. So now I'm a fat guy, and it's actually pretty roomy on me. It almost covers my arms. The hood actually comes up, over my head. So if I was wearing a baseball cap, which is normally what I would do if I was wearing something like this, because it doesn't really fit well over this, because of the sides. It always kind of, well, I guess it kind of works. It somewhat works. And it's elastic. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Do a walk around. So got the Velcro side for the sides. Has Velcro to hold the sides together. I mean, that's pretty roomy. I'm pretty happy with this. The rainy season's coming up, so, and another part, because of the Velcro, you could open this up fully. And there you go. Well, I guess you're off camera. Or were you? No, you got that. So that's kind of what I was thinking. With the combination of the ground sheet and then this, if I propped up one corner, I have shelter from ground and I have shelter from above. Excuse me. So I just have to, I think you just tie the hood together. I've actually never done that. But yeah, it's not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Sorry, I'm just picking up my garbage real quick. Don't want to be that guy who leaves a mess. Just good practice to pick up. Okay. Okay, so here's the best part. The poncho is $9.99. So $10. The ground sheet was $8.95. So shipping was only $3.99. Now I did tell them I was a YouTuber, but I don't know if they just got it out to me quick because I mentioned that I was a YouTuber. I mean, I still paid for this, but I told them who I was, and I ordered it Saturday, and I had a knock on my door Tuesday for $4. That's amazing shipping and amazingly quick response for buying something. I've had things take up to a week, and you're just patiently waiting, and I had this in no time. They shipped it Monday, I had it Tuesday, FedExed. So I don't know if they're going to do that for everybody, but if they do, awesome. If not, well, I don't know what to tell you, but I'm liking them so far. And since it's going to be raining here soon, I think these will be a nice addition to a pack. Yeah, so I'm going to get these rolled back up into their sacks, and I'll show you when I'm done, and you can see how small they are. Alright, I got them back in the bag. Well, I didn't tie this up yet, but just to do a size comparison, here's a Nalgene, and then here's the ground sheet with the stakes and the cord, and then here's the poncho. I mean, those are I mean, those are smaller than an Nalgene, and they're, you know, they give a little give. I mean, I didn't pack it super tight, but, and then just a water bottle I had. But those are pretty compact, and, you know, they're lightweight and waterproof. At least this is waterproof, but I think these will make a good addition to any kind of a day pack I do. Not that I'm super worried about getting stuck overnight, but you know, you never know. But get rid of these. Alright, so I'll put all the links to both of these down in the description, so all I gotta do is click it and look. You know, it's October right now. Let me get the exact date. I think it's the 5th. Yeah, it's the 5th. You know, Christmas is only 2 months away, so you got some outdoorsy friends. I mean, that's what I think I spent a total with shipping. I think I spent $24. So you can get them a poncho and a ground sheet for about 25 bucks. And you know, I think that would make a great gift. So that's something to think about. I mean, if you got them now, you could clear 2-3 guys off your Christmas list. So you know, if I knew anybody, I mean, I could see giving at least the poncho out as a gift. I mean, 10 bucks. They don't have to know it's only $10, but you know, I actually like it so far. You know, and it fit my big body, so you'll probably see me wearing this from time to time. Well, as always, appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, peace.